What's up YouTube, how's it going? I'll check out my hair. I have a weird color blend right now. It's like a silverish blue to a blonde and to my natural hair color, which is brown, dark brown actually. Today I'll be doing a shoot with one of my buddies on Instagram. You can check out his page. It's up_hill_films with an S at the end. Oh yeah. Is extra loud today, and I'm going to be taking her across the Golden Gate Bridge to this one spot that I love to shoot at. It's a very beautiful spot, by the way. And yeah, I wanted to get some new shots of my car with my front splitter. My front splitter is by DevSport. They make really good splitters. It's made of ABS plastic. Also came with support rods, which I like because support rods I think are badass if you install on the splitters. The car is all ready for Spokum. I can't wait to drive it down. I had the clutch fixed. And remember guys, July 13th is the drive down. I'll be vlogging the entire trip. Kush is gonna be my photographer. July 14th is the event at Anaheim Convention Center. So if you guys are interested, check us out at Spokum, Anaheim Convention Center, July 14th from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. I'm in here shooting with Uphill Films. You can check them out on Instagram. I'll have it in the video somewhere. But yeah, we're shooting over in the Marin County right now. My favorite spot, right where the Golden Gate Bridge is. There's my car. I got my front splitter on. And then after this, we're gonna hit up another spot that's right down there, but less than a 2-minute drive. Top 5 best mods that I have are my wheels. They are Inky RPF 1s. 17x7s. They're basically the size of a BRZ stock wheel. And then obviously my front splitter that I just got installed yesterday, my exhaust system, my cat back, and my open flash tablet. Those are the 5 best mods that I have on this car so far. And then there's more to come soon. It's a pretty foggy day today, overcast. The bridge is covered in fog. You can see the city a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it. The camera wouldn't even focus. Pretty freaking bright out here. We're on top of Marin Headlands. That's my car. It's one of my favorite places to shoot because the scenery is like amazing. It has this old ancient vibe, this abandoned vibe, and I don't know, it just kind of looks cool up here. So this weekend, I will be in New York for some shit. I'm also gonna get paid for this one private shoot that I'm doing. I cannot disclose any information on the car, but I can tell you that it's gonna be a really nice exotic car. You may see it, if you follow my Snapchat or Instagram, you may see it on there, but other than that, I'm not gonna vlog it. But I will vlog my other days that I'm there with my family, having fun. It's a 4-day trip for 4th of July. And my parents have gotten themselves tickets to go see like theater shows like Shakespeare, like Wicked, and all those theater shows, and I didn't want to go because I'm not really into that. I know it's good, I've seen it before, but it's like I'm not really into that. Since there are only less than 3 weeks left before Spokum, I'm gonna try to get as many shoots in as I can with the car, with the splitter and everything before Spokum, so that way when I go down, I can get some nice pics around downtown LA. There's just one spot that I really want to hit up in LA at night. It's like this cool underpass kind of shot where you can see one center part where it's open area, light shining through, and then 2 other sides are like completely covered by the road that's sitting up top. So it's like an overpass, underpass kind of shot. I don't know if you've seen it on Instagram anywhere, but that's the kind of shot that I like to take. Alright, so I just got back home. I dropped off my buddy at his place. I want to make sure I park my car perfectly. I don't want to freaking go over my neighbor's driveway, and it's perfect. Oh, damn, the car just looks so clean right now, dude. So clean. And for the rest of the day, I'm probably gonna hit up a movie with my brother, and I'm starving, so I'm most likely gonna get lunch right now. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It was pretty awesome. Peace out and stay golden.